As the world leader of oyster farming technology for more than 2 decades, SEAPA has continued to innovate its product range, helping to improve oyster quality and farming efficiency. A recent example of our innovation is the development of the SEAPA float case to promote oyster rumbling in low energy conditions. This new system achieves this by working with nature to rotate the basket with the tide, in turn rumbling the oysters to achieve the ideal shape, creating a high quality oyster. The SEAPA float case allows farmers to grow great oysters in more places while protecting the environment by fully enclosing the internal foam. This new system consists of 3 main individual parts, being the float case top, base and locking pin. To assemble, just align the hinging mechanism on the float top and base and insert the foam. SEAPA suggests using 1 piece of foam, 540 by 125 by 30 mm, and 2 pieces of foam, 540 by 40 by 30 mm, to achieve 3.2 litres of volume. You can customise the tumbling created by the float case by using any amount of foam up to 4 litres. The float case is secured by 5 locking tabs. Once the float is ready for deployment, there are 2 options for attachment. First, you can take the basket with the unique float cap end and align the male pins on the end cap to the female locators on the float at approximately a 30-degree angle to ensure the attachment aligns correctly, and then simply lock the other end of the float to the basket with the locking pin supplied. Alternatively, the float can be secured with marine-grade rubber bands or an attachment strap of your choice. The basket is then ready to be placed out to work. This system has been designed with additional features kept in mind, such as quick assembly features including the secure locking pin enables for quick deployment or removal of the float in the field when required. Both the float case and the float locking pin include a provision by way of a hole for the attachment of an optional tether sourced by the user if required. This fully enclosed design will protect the internal foam from the harsh oceanic environment, including UV, birds and predators, to prevent breakdown and release of microplastics. A rubber band locator ensures the correct position of the rubber band, securely locking it into place when using this as an attachment system. A streamlined profile that enables use when deployed with a SEAPA 15-litre basket with infrastructure spacings of 350 mm, and when used with the 25-litre baskets allows for infrastructure spacings of 420 mm. The non-sealed structure means that it will not crush at depths. The polypropylene case has been smartly designed with the required strength and tested in areas such as Normandy with a 13-metre tide range. Customers have the option to add their own company details moulded directly into the float. This assists with product identification and regulatory requirements. The case has been designed to fit the entire range of SEAPA baskets. Being a modular system, the case stacks neatly into cartons and is easily assembled on site, reducing the shipment of unnecessary air as per other float options. To get the best performance, thorough testing in your unique environment is highly recommended. Please contact SEAPA for further information.